Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change DPI settings on your Razer mouse. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you don't have it yet, make sure that you open up your favorite browser and then just find Razer Synapse. Okay, hit on enter. Now click on the first link right here and then just gotta scroll down a bit, click on download and save it wherever you want. And then once done, just follow the simple prompts on how to install it. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I already have it. Now, once you have it installed, find Razer Synapse. Now, click on it to open it up. And if this is first time you opened up Razer Synapse, it will ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. And after that, it will automatically link your device right here or any Razer mouse. So just go and select it from here at the top. You'll be able to see your battery right here. And most importantly, to change the DPI settings, we'll just go ahead over to the Performance tab. Okay, again, the Performance tab. Click on it, and here we have it. You could also enable sensitivity stages if you have this button besides or behind your scroll wheel. Okay, you can use this one. If not, just change the DPI right here. Also, don't forget to select the highest polling rate in this section. As you can see, mine is set to 1000 because this is the highest polling rate. Now, finally, for your DPI, just move this slider. I'm just going to set it to 1.6 right here, as I'm used to using 1.6. Okay, and that is it. Once that's done, no need to click on any buttons. Just close it, and after that, you're good to go. That is how you change DPI settings on a Razer mouse. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.